Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
They,
Fine, sir.
yes, very few children have joined today because we were thinking that today there would be no class. But on the 11th hour, what happened? What the work in which we were involved? Actually, we were scrutinizing some forms. सब कुछ forms हम scrutinize कर रहे थे. लेकिन अभी वो डाउनलोड नहीं हो पाए. तो जब तक वो डाउनलोड नहीं होते तब तक जितना समय है वो टीचर्स आपका क्लास लेंगे. शायद भी कल और परसों नहीं होगा. Okay, so it is good that we can finish our lesson today. Okay, we will finish our just wait. Screen दिख रहा है क्या बच्चों?
हाँ, sir.
Okay, now let's see. In yesterday's class we had seen that Madam Matilda, she was very successful in the party because she was a beautiful lady. Everybody talked with her, everybody introduced to her, and the party went on till 4 o'clock in the morning. And till that time her husband and other 3 husbands, they were sleeping in the saloon. Saloon means a small room, private room outside the hall. And when the party was over, she was in a hurry. Hurry means बहुत जल्दी में थी to come out of the hall because she wanted nobody to see her wrap. W-R-A-P, wrap means shawl. Because why? Her shawl was very simple and it did not match with the costume, means clothes. The costly clothes, the costly frocks she was wearing for the party. And other women were wearing very costly furs, F-U-R-S. And when she came out, her husband, he wanted to stop her, detain her, but she did not stop. She came down, she descended, means got down from the stairs, and then they came on the street. They were searching a carriage because it was very late in the morning, late in the night, almost early in the morning. Carriages were not available. Carriages means, आवाज मत करो बेटा उधर से. Cabs were not available, and then they began to seek in the search for one cab. And hailing means they were calling the coachman who they saw at a distance. Then who is talking? Suraj Taide.
Yes, sir.
आवाज म्यूट करो बेटा, आवाज म्यूट करो उधर से.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
हाँ. Then they walk. Then what happened later? Let's see in this. Today we will discuss the next part of the lesson. See, they walk along towards the river. Now they came on the street. Why they were coming? They came to the street to search the cab. Then they walked towards the river. They were hopeless. They were not having the hope of finding the cab. उनको आशा नहीं लग रही थी कि कैब मिलेगी. And they were also shivering. Shivering means shaking, trembling, because it was very cold outside. Finally, they found one of those old carriages. They found one cab which was very old. That one sees in Paris after nightfall. Paris is, this is the city in France. And after all, they found very old cab. And then it took them as far as their door. So the cab took them to their door, to their home. And then they went wearily. When the cab left them, cab dropped them there. वहां पे ड्रॉप कर दिया कैब ने. एंड देन दे वेंट wearily. Wearily means very tiredly. Tired थे, हो गए थे दोनों. Very wearily up to the apartment. Apartment means to their home. It was all over for her. Now the enjoyment, the pleasure, the joy was all over. It was over now. And on his part, अब उसका जो condition था husband का, now the part of the day which they enjoyed so much, that pleasure, वो आनंद अभी खत्म हो गया था. Because he remembered, उसको पता चल गया husband को कि that he would have to be at the office by 10 o'clock. He had to go to the office that day, next day. See, he reached home almost 4 to 5 o'clock in the morning, and he knew that next day he has to attend the office. He has to go to the office by 10 o'clock. 10 बजे तक पहुंचना है उसको ऑफिस में. So she removed her wrap. She removed the wraps. Shawl उसने remove की from her shoulder before the glass. She stood in front of the mirror. Mirror के सामने खड़ी हो गई. For a final view. Final view means वो आखिरी बार देखना चाहती थी. She wanted to see of herself in her glory. Glory means she was looking very beautiful, and this was the last chance because she was wearing the necklace. She had to return that necklace to her friend, and that's why, and she will not get a chance to attend such a party. That's why she wanted to see how does she look. Final time. आखिर बार वो देखना चाहती थी अपने आप को mirror में. Suddenly she uttered a cry, and when she stood in front of the mirror, she suddenly uttered means shouted a cry. Loudly she cried with fear. जोर से चिल्लाई. Because why she cried? Because her necklace was not around her neck. Her necklace was lost. It was not around her neck. Then Lysel. ये जो Lysel आप देख रहे हैं, what they are both are doing, they are searching. Now you see Lysel, her husband, already half undressed. Undressed means he was removing his clothes, party clothes he was also wearing. He was almost undressed half, आधा कपड़ा निकाला था. Asked, what is the matter? What happened? She turned toward him excitedly. She looked at him and she said, I have, you see how frightened she was, how scared she was. She was not able to speak the complete sentence. She said, she started saying, I have no longer have Madame Forrester's necklace. There is no necklace. I've lost it. He arose in dismay. When he heard this, he stood up. And in a dismay is not a sadness. It was a shock for him also. And he asked, what? How is that? How that? What is that? How it has happened? कैसे हुआ ये? It is not possible. And they looked in the folds of the dress, and both husband and wife, they started searching the necklace in the fold. Fold means जो घड़ी करते हैं हम, fold करते हैं dress का. शायद उनको लगा कि कपड़े में छुपा पड़ा होगा. And they started looking the necklace in the folds of the dress. In the folds of the cloak, C-L-O-A-K. Cloak क्या होता है? The long gown जो पहनते हैं, long cloth जो लंबा पहनते हैं, जिसको हम gown कहते हैं. They started finding there also. In the pockets, they started searching the pockets everywhere, हर जगह. देखिए यहाँ पर, you can see. They were also searching in the house, under the table, under the chair, in the house, in the folds of the dress, in the cloak. Cloak means gown, in the pockets, everywhere. But they could not find it. He asked, you are sure you still had it when we left the minister's house? Husband asked, are you sure that you were still wearing that necklace when we left the minister's house? जब हम मिनिस्टर के हाउस से, घर से बाहर निकले, तुम्हें पता है क्या तुम तब भी तुम्हारे गले में था? And she said, yes, I felt it. Felt it means मैं महसूस कर रही थी. मुझे पता था कि there was a necklace. I was feeling that necklace. Yes, I felt it as we came out. When I came out, I still know that there was a necklace in my neck. Okay. But if you had lost it in the street, we should have heard it fall. क्या कहता है? But if you had lost in the street, वहां से आने के बाद हम कहाँ गए? We went toward the rivers. We were searching the cab. But remember, if you had lost during that time, उस समय में अगर रास्ते पे गिरा होता, तो we should have, हमने सुनना चाहिए था. क्या सुनना चाहिए था? The sound, it falling sound, we should have heard. हमने सुना होता. It must be in the cab. क्या कहता है अभी? So it is sure that you did not lose it in the party in the house of the minister, because you said that, you are saying that you were feeling the necklace when you came out of the minister's house. Then we were searching the cab. During that time we did not hear any sound of its falling. It means that you must have lost it in the cab. Cab में गिरा होगा शायद. Husband said. She said, yes, it is possible. Wife said, did you take the number? Now wife is asking her husband, did you take the number of the cab? देखिए कैब के पीछे नंबर होता है, जैसे कि हमारी ऑटो के पीछे नंबर होता है ना, गाड़ी का नंबर होता है, तो कैब का भी नंबर होता है. Did you take the number of that cab? What was his reply? No. And you? उसने पूछा क्या तुमने लिखा, नोटिस किया क्या? And you, did you notice what it was? आपने कभी, तुमने भी, हस्बैंड वाइफ को पूछता है क्या तुमने वो नोटिस किया क्या, थोड़ा नंबर क्या था? उसने तो नंबर नहीं लिया, क्या तुमने देखा था क्या नंबर? And he said no. श्रेया, श्रेया नेमाने, श्रेया आवाज बंद कर बेटा. Then now they look at each other utterly cast down. Cast down means very upset. They look at each other. दोनों ने एक तरफ देखा, एक दूसरे की तरफ देखा. Finally Loisel dressed himself again. Again he dressed himself. हमने देखा था he had half dress. Now he again wore his clothes, कपड़े पहने, and he said I am going. मैं जा रहा हूँ. Over the track. Track means path. P-A-T-H. Where we went on the foot. यहाँ पर हम चले थे रास्ते से river तक. I am going to search our necklace on that spot, वो spot पे, to see if I can find it. And he went away. She remained in her evening gown. Now she was wearing the gown and she remained in her evening gown, means she did not have the courage, she did not have the mood to wear the different clothes. Till evening she remained in the gown, not having, see, it means that he went in the morning, 5-6 o'clock he might have gone, and now it is a time in the evening. Next day means from morning till evening she was wearing a gown. Gown is actually is worn at the time of night, but the whole day she was wearing it, and not having the force to go to the bed. She was not having the force. Force means courage to go to the bed. She did not sleep when her husband had gone out. बाहर जाने के बाद towards 7 o'clock her husband returned. 7 o'clock को वापस आया husband in the evening. He had found nothing. He had not found anything. He went to the police and to the cab offices. Then he went to the police station to file the complaint करने के लिए. Then he went to the cab offices. Cab offices में जो cab का registration होता है, जहाँ पर office होता है cab, जैसे हमने देखा है ऑटो के भी जहाँ पे भी नंबर लगते हैं वहाँ पे offices होते हैं उनके. So he went to the cab offices and put an advertisement. Cab office के लिए कहाँ क्यों गया होगा? To find that cab owner, वो cab owner को ढूंढने के लिए. Then he put an advertisement in the newspaper. He gave the advertisement in the paper that she has lost the necklace, and he offered a reward. Offered a reward means he declared in the newspaper that anyone who finds and who return the necklace, he would be given good reward. Okay, then she waited all day in a state of bewilderment. She was waiting all the day. पूरे दिन भर वो वेट करती रही in a bewilderment, confusion में, घबराहट में, before this frightful disaster. This was a disaster for her. Disaster means a calamity. Calamity एक संकट आया था उसके ऊपर. Frightful means terrible. डरावना संकट था उसके लिए, because it was very costly. So she waited all the day in a state of bewilderment. Bewilderment means confusion, घबराहट, scared, in the state of scared, and then Loisel returned in the evening. In the evening he came back. In the morning he went away. He searched everywhere, and then he came back in the evening. Now his face was looking very pale. Pale means very faint, nistage. Loisel, his pale means very sad. He was looking. He had discovered nothing. उसने कुछ नहीं मिला था. After trying everything, what had he tried? He went to the street where they had walked. Then he went to the cab offices to search that cab driver. Then he went to the police station to file the complaint. Then he gave the news, advertisement in the newspaper. But after doing all these things, he did not find it. Then he said, अब आया वो घर में, and said, write to your friend that you have broken the clasps of the necklace. She said to his wife, now you see, we cannot, your friend must be waiting for the necklace, because we had promised that we will return it after the बॉल पार्टी के बाद वापस करना था, अभी है ही नहीं, तो उसको एक काम करो, वी मस्ट बाय सम टाइम, वी मस्ट गेट सम टाइम टू सर्च द नेकलेस सर्च करना है तो हमें टाइम चाहिए, तो उसके लिए क्या करो, राइट टू योर फ्रेंड को लेटर लिखो, एक चिट्ठी लिखो, एंड टेल हर दैट यू हैव ब्रोकन द क्लैप्स। क्लैप्स क्या होता है, क्लैप्स क्या होता है, जिसको जो उसको पिन होती है, पिन मतलब जोड़ होता है उसको नेकलेस का, जिसपे हम उसको फिट करते हैं, क्या बोलेंगे उसको हम, जोड़ जहां से हम लगाते हैं उसको, यस, पिन हुक सॉरी हुक, यस हुक कहेंगे हम उसको। राइट टू योर फ्रेंड दैट यू हैव ब्रोकन द क्लैप्स ऑफ द नेकलेस एंड दैट यू विल हैव इट repaired and you want to repair it, so that what will happen if you do this, that will give us some time, इससे हमें टाइम मिलेगा। she wrote as he dictated and that's why she wrote the same thing which was dictated to her by her husband. Dictated means she was told. At the end of a week, एक हफ्ता हो गया, at the end of a week they had lost all hope. Again the 1 week passed, they tried everything, again they searched everywhere, but they did not find the necklace, so they lost all the hope of finding the necklace. Then and Loisel, older by 5 years, now you see he was older by 5 years. How many days had happened past after losing that necklace? Only 1 week, but during this 1 week he was old by 5 years, 5 साल से बूढ़ा हो गया था. It means that there was a pressure on his face. You can see that he had suffered a lot, he could not sleep, so all these things were reflecting on his face. ये सब चेहरे पर उसका देख रहा था. So you can say that he was older by 5 years, means he was very tired, he was very exhausted, he had lost the hope. That's why there were the sign of oldness, sign, उसके चेहरे पर सब निशानियां दिख रही थी जो बूढ़े व्यक्ति के चेहरे पे दिखती है. And then at last he declared, he announced, we must replace this jewel. We must replace means we must give it, we must find some another necklace and return to your friend. Then is it clear, children? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? हेलो,
Yes.
हरी, सभी को आवाज आ रही ना?
Sir.
Okay, let's see. Next, we will see. अब आप नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर देख रही है आप क्या करे? she is selling something. Here you can say she is buying something. तो ये सेल किया, ये बाय किया, इसका मतलब how did they manage the money? पैसे कैसे मैनेज किया होगा? Let's see. In a shop of the Palais Royal, this was the shop where the jewelries are sold. This is a shop, Palais Royal. They found a chaplet. Chaplet means a necklace of diamond. उनको एक डायमंड का नेकलेस मिला, which seemed means appeared, लगता था, दिखता था, to them exactly like the one they had lost. The similar kind of necklace they found in one shop called Palais Royal. It was valued at 40,000 francs. See, the cost of that necklace was 40,000. 40,000. और वो फ्रॉक जो लिया था उसने 400 francs. 400 francs वो उसने जमा किए थे to buy the gun. अब उसको 40,000 francs खरीदना है, खर्चा करना है. So it is very difficult for the person like him. So it was the cost of this was 40,000 francs. They could get it for 36,000. They could get it. The shopkeeper was giving ready to offer them some concession. Concession देने के लिए, rebate देने के लिए तैयार था. और कितना? 36,000, 400 francs, 40,000, sorry, 36,000 फ्रैंक में वो रेडी था. उसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस था 40,000, तो उतना उसको कंसेशन दिया उसको. सो Loisel possessed 18,000 francs. Now amount was very big. So how much money he had? उसके पास कितना पैसा था Loisel के पास? Loisel कहता है he possess उसको प्राप्त हुआ था, मिला था. Owned, possess means owned, OWNED. उसके पास था पैसा कितना? 18,000. 18,000 और वहां कहां से मिला था? Which his father had left him. Actually he had inherited, उसको वो पैसा मिला, inherited that much amount from his father. Father ने उसके लिए छोड़ा था 18,000 francs. And then अभी 18,000 उसको borrow करना पड़ेगा, दूर बाहर से लाना पड़ेगा 18,000 franc. So he borrowed the rest. Rest means the 18,000 francs he borrowed. Borrow में उधार लिया उसने. कहां से लिया होगा? He made ruinous promises. Ruinous, ruin का अर्थ होता है destroying, बर्बाद करने वाले. Promises, promises उसने वचन दिए लोगों को कि अगर मैंने पैसे तुम्हारे रिटर्न नहीं किए तो मैं आपको ये दूंगा, ऐसा करूंगा. Oh, that is called promises. He ruinous promises. He took money from usurers. USURERS. Usurers का अर्थ होता है money lenders. मनी लेंडर्स होता है जो ब्याज पर पैसा देते हैं, जिसको हम साहूकार कहते हैं. He took money from usurers and the whole race of lender. Whole race में जितने भी people उसको मिले जो मनी लेंड करते थे, लेंडर्स, लेंडर मतलब पैसा उधार देते थे ब्याज पर, जितने भी, सभी से उसने पैसे लिए. देखिए कैसे उसने पैसे अरेंज किए. How he arranged the money. He had 18,000 francs which were left to him by his father. Then he borrowed. He made the ruinous promises. Ruinous promises, very big promises he made to the people. He took money from the money lenders. Money lenders mean usurers, and all the lenders who were giving him money on interest. Then after collecting all this money, he went to get the new necklace. He went to that shop and putting on the merchant's counter. Counter पे, ये देखो counter पे पैसा रखने के बाद 60,000 francs उसने वो क्या खरीदा? He purchased that necklace. They went to the shop, put the money on the table, counter's table, and they purchased the necklace. When Madame Loisel took back the jewels to Madame Forestier, the latter said to her in a frigid tone. Now see, then when she went to Madame Loisel went to her friend's house, Madame Forestier's house, to return her necklace. When she went there, the latter, LATTR, latter का अर्थ होता है दो में से next वाला, बाद वाला कौन है? latter यहाँ का अर्थ है Madame Forestier. Madame Forestier said to her, उसने कहा उसको in a frigid tone. Frigid means cold tone, having no expression on her face. In a frigid, very cold tone. कोई उसमें एक्साइटमेंट नहीं, कोई इमोशंस नहीं. क्या कहती है? You should have returned them to me sooner. You should have, तुम्हें करना चाहिए था. Should have returned, वापस करना चाहिए था तुम्हें. To me sooner, पहले ही थोड़ा, इससे पहले. For means because I might have needed them. Needed मुझे जरूरत पड़ सकती थी. मतलब उसमें कोई भी उसने इतने दिन रखा था उसके पास, तो उसको कुछ नहीं लगा. तो उसने एक ही ऐसा जनरली बोला कि पहले वापस देना चाहिए था. यहाँ पर एक सेंटेंस देखिए, शुड हैव का यूज किया है. ये शुड हैव आप कब यूज करेंगे? देखिए यहाँ पर शुड हैव के बाद रिटर्न थर्ड फॉर्म लगाया है. शुड हैव, जब आप कोई काम आप कहते हैं कि तुमने मुझे पहले बताना चाहिए था, तू अभ्यास करायला पाहिजे होता, असं जेव्हा वाक्य, तू खेळायला पाहिजे होता, तू मला बोलवायला पाहिजे होतं असं जेव्हा म्हणतो आपण, तिथं आपण फॉर एक्झाम्पल, तू मला बोलवायला पाहिजे होतं. यू शुड हॅव इन्व्हायटेड मी. उठायला पाहिजे होतं. यू शुड हॅव गॉट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. तू हा क्लास ज्वाइन करायला पाहिजे होता. यू शुड हॅव अटेंडेड दिस क्लास. तो इस तरह से शुड हैव का यूज करना है. यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट लगाना है. आई शुड हैव लिख सकते हैं, वी शुड हैव लिख सकते हैं, वी शुड हैव अटेंडेड द क्लास, है ना. यू शुड हैव रिटर्न अर्ली, तुमने पहले वापस करना चाहिए. इस तरह से आप शुड हैव का यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो मैडम फॉरेस्टायर सेड यू शुड हैव रिटर्न इट सूनर. पहले ही करना था बिकॉज आई माइट हैव नीडेड देम, मुझे जरूरत पड़ सकती थी. ओके, इट का मतलब नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ है? मैडम फॉरेस्टायर डिड नॉट ओपन द ज्वेल बॉक्स. उसने बॉक्स भी ओपन करके नहीं दिखा मैडम फॉरेस्टायर ने. एज मिसेस लॉयसेल फियर्ड, देयर वाज अ फियर इन द माइंड ऑफ लॉयसेल. लॉयसेल के मन में लग रहा था कि इफ शी ओपन व्हाट विल शी डू. व्हाई शी वाज हैविंग सच फियर. ऐसा डर क्यों था? कि उसको ऐसा लग रहा था व्हाट वुड शी थिंक, उसको क्या लगेगा if she should pursue the substitution. Pursue means if she know what she know, the substitution. If she know that this is not the original one, इट इज अ सब्स्टिट्यूशन, सब्स्टिट्यूशन उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है, उसके लिए दूसरा दिया है। ऐसा अगर उसको पता चलेगा तो क्या सोचेगी, ऐसा डर था उसको। आवाज किसकी आ रही? कौन है बेटा? जय सिंह, जय शिंदे। रेवत, रेवत आवाज बंद कर, रेवत, रेवत आवाज येत आहे घरी? हाँ
Nice, sir.
ओके बेटा, हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम. Lysel fears she would. What would she think if she should pursue the substitution? सबसे मतलब नया है भाई, दूसरा है ये, अगर उसको पता चले तो क्या सोचेगी, इसका उसको डर था. What should she say? क्या कहेगी वो? Would she take her for a robber? It is possible that she will think that her friend will think that she is a thief. Thief means robber है. उसने मेरा नेकलेस ओरिजिनल लेके मुझे डुप्लीकेट दिया, ऐसा लगेगा उसको. मैडम लॉयसेल नाउ न्यू द हॉरिबल लाइफ ऑफ नेसेसिटी, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ और उसने उसके तरफ ध्यान भी नहीं दिया. उसने तुरंत वो ले लिया उसके पास से. शी डिड नॉट ओपन एंड मैडम लॉयसेल वेंट होम. अब उसके बाद उसका जिंदगी कैसा बदल जाता है, लेट्स सी. Madam Loisel now knew the horrible life of necessity. What is the horrible life? Horrible life of is poor. Poor की life कैसे होती है, गरीबी कैसी होती है, वो अभी महसूस करने लग गई. She did her part, however, completely heroically, but she was very brave because she had lost, she had taken the money, so she decided to play her part. कौन सा part play करेगी कि वो सब मेहनत करेगी. She decided to do the hard work to return the money which she had taken from the money lenders. Money lenders से जो पैसा लिया था उसको वापस करने के लिए she decided to do the hard work heroically. Heroically मतलब मजबूती से, bravely, है ना. It was necessary to pay this frightful debt. Frightful मतलब डरावना, terrible debt. Debt means कर्जा. It was necessary to return the debt. She would pay it. She decided, yes, I will do everything. मैं सब कुछ करूंगी to return this, to pay back the debt. They sent away the maid. The first thing what she did was she sent away. Sent away she उसने भेज दिया. The maid. Maid कौन होती है? नौकरानी, servant, lady servant, जो उसके घर के काम करती थी. She sent away her and she changed their lodging. They changed their lodging. Lodging means they changed their home. Now पहले वो थोड़ा अपार्टमेंट में रहते थे, गुड हाउस में रहते थे, but now they changed their lodging and where they went to live, they rented some rooms. Rented means they took the rooms on rent. Rent पे मतलब किराए से कुछ rooms लिए. कहाँ पर थी वो rooms? In a attic. Attic क्या होता है? Where we store some our things. जहाँ पर हमारे घर में जो ऐसा सामान रखते हैं, जो रूम होती है जिसको हम सामान की रूम बोलते हैं, attic बोलते हैं. अडगडीचा सामान ठेवण्याची रूम है ना, which is not used for living. That kind of room she rented. They rented. Okay. Then she washed the dishes. She started washing the dishes herself. पहले maid थी, now she started washing the dishes. Then she washed the soiled linen. Linen का क्या अर्थ होता है? Rough clothes. For example, carpets है, आपके bed sheets है ना, table cloths है. She started washing the soiled means जो dirty खराब हो जाते थे, soiled clothes she started washing. She started washing dishes, and then she started washing their clothes also. Clothes के लिए ये सब to do all these things they had a maid, but now there was no maid. She started doing all these household work. घर का काम पूरा करने लग गई. Their clothes and dish clothes also, which she hung on the line to dry. She started drying all these clothes, dish clothes. Dish clothes means जो clothes use करते dish को wipe करने के लिए, पोंछने के लिए. That is called dish clothes. Soiled linen मैंने बोला है आपकी bedsheet जो rough clothes होते हैं, table cloths like that. And she was and also their clothes also she doing all these household work herself. And she was drying them on the line. Line मतलब line में वो सुखाने को डालती थी. दूसरा काम कौन सा करती थी? She took down the refuse. Refuse मतलब जो कचरा होता है, wastage. She took down the refuse to the street each morning. रोज लेके जाती थी कचरा बाहर. And brought up the water. पानी खींच के लाती थी. Brought up from the tap, जहाँ पे भी सोर्स था पानी का, क्योंकि ये एटिक में रहते थे, ऊपर रहते थे, घर के ऊपर, किसी के रेंट से. And she brought up the water, stopping at each landing. Landing means step. stopping at each landing to catch her breath. It was very difficult to carry the water from the downstairs to the upstairs to the attic. She could not. It was very difficult, and that's why she used to stop at every step. हर step पे उसको रुकना पड़ता था to take her breath. Breath मतलब सांस लेने के लिए. And clothed like a woman of the people. Clothed, and she started wearing a clothes which were owned by a woman of the people. People are common people. जो गरीब people है वैसे कपड़े पहनने लगी. And she went to the grocer shop. Grocer shop क्यों जाते हैं? Where the vegetables and जो food items are available, she started going there. And to the butchers कौन है? The meat seller की तरफ जाने लगी. And the fruit seller. And with the basket on her arm, purchasing shopping के लिए खुद जाने लगी. Where she started going to the grocer shop, to the butcher shop, and to the fruit seller shop, with the basket on her arm, basket लेकर, shopping herself, shopping के लिए. Okay, we will stop here. You can see here the image of that lady. Now see how it has changed. You can see the furniture also at their home. You can see the wall. It shows their poverty and the clothes she is wearing, and says she is brooming the house. घर साफ कर रही है. So children, we will stop here. The next part we will see in the next period because our time is running now. 5 मिनट बचे हैं. Even then we will stop here. बताइए यहाँ तक ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we stop here, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next part हम अगले पीरियड में देंगे बेटा. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye.